Kathy's coming to you live from the Parrot Pub, JCI, Houston. Or is it spring? Whatever.
I was fine, he was sick, rode on horses made of stick. He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight, bang bang. He shot me down, bang bang. I hit the ground, bang bang. That awful sound, bang bang. My baby shot me down. Came and changed the time, and I grew up, I called him mine. He would always laugh and say, remember when we used to play? Bang, bang, I shut you down, bang, bang. That awful sound, bang, bang. Ah, baby, shut you down. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. 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 Now he's gone, I don't know why. Until this day sometimes I cry. He say goodbye, he didn't take the time to lie. Bang bang, he shot me down, bang bang. I hit the ground, bang bang. That awful sound, bang bang. My baby shot me down.
There you go, Patty doing it for you. Big round of applause out there, bringing it back one more time, round number 2.
I hope you know CPR, because you take my breath away.
You keep saying you got something for me, something you gotta love but confess. You've been messing where you shouldn't been messing, and now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. You keep lying when you ought to be sleeping, and you keep losing when you ought to not bet. You keep saying when you ought to be changing. Now what's right, you ain't been right yet. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. You keep playing when you shouldn't be playing. You keep thinking that you'll never get burned. Ha! I just found me a brand new box of matches, yeah. And what? No, didn't have time to learn. These boots are made for walking, and that's this is what they'll do. One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you. Are you ready, dude? Stop walking.
Yep, give it up out there for Patty. Clap your hands to the house. We're going to take a quick pause for the cause. Kenyon, you're up right after these break songs. We're doing 2 break songs.